Welcome back to White Eagle. Today, we're diving into one of life's hardest lessons, learning to love yourself more than anyone else. This idea sounds big. It sounds difficult. Maybe it sounds strange, but it is the most important journey. It is the journey back to you. Hello. I am happy you are here. We will talk about something very important today. We will talk about self-love. What is self-love? Many people are confused. They think self-love is being selfish. They think it means you say, I am the best. I am better than you. This is not true. This is ego. Ego is loud. Ego is proud. Self-love is not ego. Self-love is quiet. It is gentle. Real self-love is about care. It is about respect. It is about kindness. This care, this respect, this kindness is for your own heart. It is for you. Imagine a small flower. You give the flower water. You give the flower sun. You are kind to the flower. You do not shout at the flower. You help it grow. Self-love is like this. You are the flower. You need your own care. You need your own kindness. Self-love means you accept you are human. What does it mean to be human? It means you are not perfect. Nobody is perfect. Sometimes you make mistakes. Sometimes you feel messy. Sometimes you feel lost. This is okay. Everyone feels this way. Self-love is a soft voice inside you. The voice says, you are messy and you are beautiful. It says, you are lost and you are okay. It says, you make a mistake and you are still good. This voice accepts everything. It accepts the good parts of you. It accepts the bad parts of you. It says you are worthy of love. You are worthy of peace. Always. Not just when you are perfect, not just when you win. Always. This feels different, right? It feels comforting. It is not about being the best. It is about being enough. Just as you are, right now, in this moment, you are enough. That is real self-love. It is a quiet feeling of peace inside your heart. So, why is this important? Why do we need to learn this? Because from a young age, society teaches us something different. Society teaches us to look for love outside of ourselves. Think about when you were a child. You get a good grade. Your parents are happy. They give you love. You do something good. Your teacher is happy. They give you approval. You are good. You get love. This is what we learn. We learn that love is a reward. We must earn it. We grow up. We still do this. We look for love from our friends. We look for love from our partners. We look for it in our jobs. We look for it on the internet. We post a picture. We wait for likes. The likes are like the gold star. They tell us we are good. They tell us we are worthy. But what happens when the likes do not come? What happens when a friend is angry? What happens when we fail at something at work? What happens when someone does not love us back? When our love comes only from the outside, Our feeling of worth is very fragile. It is like a glass house. It can break very easily. One bad comment can break it. One failure can break it. One person leaving can break it. When the glass house breaks, we feel empty inside. We feel like we are not good enough. We feel like we are not worthy anymore. This is a very painful feeling. It is a very lonely feeling too. The truth is, no one else can fill that empty space inside you. A partner cannot fill it. A job cannot fill it. Money cannot fill it. Friends cannot fill it. They can give you love, and that is beautiful. But their love is a visitor. It cannot live inside you forever. The only person who can live inside you is you. The love that fills the empty space must come from you. It is your job to build a home inside your own heart, a home that is strong, a home that is not made of glass, a home that is made of self-love. This is why it is so important. This is why you must learn to love yourself more than anyone else, because you are the only one who is always with you. So, how do we do this? How do we build this home inside us? Let's use an idea, an analogy. Think of your heart as a small house. This house is your inner world. It is where you live. You are the only owner of this house. Now, I have a question for you. What is it like inside your house? Is it warm and cozy? Is there a soft chair? Is there gentle music playing? Is it a place where you feel safe and calm? A place you love to be? Or is your house different? Is it cold? Is it dark? Is the furniture broken? And most important, is there a voice inside your house? A voice that is always shouting. This voice is the inner critic. We all have this voice. The inner critic is a judge. It lives inside our house, inside our heart. It watches everything you do, and it is very, very harsh. You try something new, you make a small mistake. The inner critic shouts, "You are so stupid! Why did you do that? You always fail." You look in the mirror. The inner critic whispers, "You are not beautiful. You are not good enough. Look at all your flaws." You feel tired. You want to rest. The inner critic says, "You are lazy. You should do more. You are not working hard enough." This voice sounds like it wants to help. It sounds like it wants to protect you. It thinks if it shouts at you, you'll become better. It thinks if it judges you, you will not make mistakes. It thinks it is keeping you safe from the world's judgment. But does this help? Think about it. Does a flower grow if you shout at it? No. A flower grows with water and sun, with care. People are the same. We do not grow when we are judged. We grow when we feel accepted. The inner critic does not help you grow. It keeps you stuck. It makes your house a scary place to live. When you live in a scary house, you do not want to try new things. You are afraid to fail. You are afraid to be seen. You start to believe the critic's voice. You start to believe you are not good enough. It keeps you small and sad. So what do we do? Do we fight the critic? Do we shout back at it? No. Fighting does not work. Fighting it is like adding more shouting to the house. It only makes the house louder and scarier. There is a better way, a gentler way. You must remember, you are the owner of the house. The critic is just a visitor, a loud, scared visitor. That is the secret. The inner critic is not a monster. It is a scared child. It is a part of you that learned long ago that being perfect was the only way to be safe, the only way to get love. It is trying to protect you, but it is using the wrong tools. It is using fear and judgment. So, you do not fight it. You soothe it. You treat it like a scared child. When the critic's voice starts, you pause. You take a breath, and you speak to it with kindness. You can say, "Thank you for trying to protect me. I hear you. You are trying to keep me safe. But I am okay now. I am an adult. I can handle this. We are safe." This feels strange at first, but it is very powerful. You are not arguing. You are comforting. You are not fighting. You are understanding. You are being the calm, loving parent to the scared part of yourself. When you do this again and again, something amazing happens. The critic's voice gets quieter. It does not go away completely, but it learns to trust you. Your house, the house of your heart, starts to become quiet. It starts to become peaceful. You are no longer a prisoner of the critic. You are the kind owner of the house. You decide what the house feels like. You can choose to fill it with kindness. You can choose to make it a safe place. This is how you start to love yourself. You become your own comfort. You become your own safe home. Making your house a safe place is not a big one-time job. It is a daily practice. It is built with small choices. Small, honest, and kind choices. These are the bricks you use to build your inner home. So, what do these choices look like in real life? What can you do today? It starts with permission. You give yourself permission. Permission to be human. First, give yourself permission to feel. Sometimes you feel sad. Sometimes you feel angry. Sometimes you feel tired. Society tells us to be happy all the time. This is not possible. Your feelings are not bad. They are visitors in your house. Let them come. Let them sit for a little while. Do not push them away. You can say to yourself, "It is okay to feel sad right now." Being kind to your feelings is being kind to yourself. Second, give yourself permission to rest. You are not a machine. You cannot work all the time. Rest is not lazy. Rest is necessary. It is like charging your phone. You need to charge your own energy. What does rest look like? It can be sleeping more. It can be sitting in silence for 5 minutes. It can be listening to music. It can be saying no to a plan when you are tired. Listen to your body. When it says, "I am tired," listen. That is a small, powerful act of self-love. Third, give yourself permission to set boundaries. This is very important and very hard. A boundary is when you say no. We often say yes when we want to say no. We say yes because we do not want to make someone sad. We do not want to disappoint them. We think being kind means always saying yes. But this is not true. When you always say yes to others, you often say no to yourself. You say no to your rest. You say no to your peace. You say no to your own needs. You slowly abandon yourself. Setting a boundary is an act of self-respect. It is you saying, I matter too. You can say no with kindness. You can say, thank you for asking, but I cannot do that right now. You can say, I need some time for myself today. People who truly love you will understand, and you will teach them how to treat you with respect. Setting boundaries is not building a wall. It is protecting the peace inside your house. These are all small things. Making tea when you are stressed. Taking a deep breath before you answer an email. Going for a short walk. Saying one nice thing to yourself in the mirror. Forgiving yourself for a small mistake. Every time you choose one of these small acts of kindness, you are sending a message to your heart. The message is, you are important. You are worth taking care of. Slowly, day by day, you start to believe this message. It becomes your truth. Your house becomes a home, a strong, warm, safe home that you built yourself. Learning to love yourself more than anyone else is not a destination. It is not a prize you win. It is a practice. It is like learning a new language, the language of kindness to yourself. Some days it will be easy, some days it will be hard, and that is okay. Remember the house of your heart. You are its keeper. You have the power to make it a beautiful place to live. You do not need anyone else's permission. You do not need to wait for someone else to come and fix it. You have the power inside you, right now. The journey starts with one small step, one kind thought, one moment of rest, one gentle breath. This is your life. This is your heart. You are worthy of your own love. You are worthy of your own care. You are worthy of your own peace. You are enough, just as you are. Start your journey to self-love today by trying one small act of kindness towards yourself. Maybe it is making a cup of tea. Maybe it is telling yourself, you did a good job today. Whatever it is, do it with love. And if this conversation helped you, please subscribe to White Eagle for more comforting conversations and English lessons. We are happy to walk on this journey with you. Thank you for being here. Take care of your beautiful self. Until next time.